Sesame Street Cookie Monster's foodie truck to Hiya, it's me, Cookie Monster.
And I'm Chef Gong, and we are
Monster Foodies.
Foodies. Help us make delicious snacks in our foodie truck.
For all our friends on Sesame Street. What you want to make first? Go ahead. Yummy order.
For this recipe, we'll need bread, peanut butter, banana, and honey. Oh no, looks like we're missing honey. Come on, we gotta go get some more to the honeybee farm.
Come on, let's drive to the honeybee farm. Click to start driving. We on our way to the honeybee farm.
We're here at the honeybee farm.
Honey comes from a honeycomb made by bees. Click. Thank you, bees.
Time to cook.
To make peanut butter banana. Oh, yeah. Then peel the banana.
Chop, choppity chop.
Now add the honey. Oh, yeah.
And last but not least, I will put the bread on top. Tongs away! It's ready!
Now it's time order up. Enjoy your sandwich, Elmo.